Hey, to pair your Samsung Galaxy Buds FE with any Samsung smartphone, all you have to do is just to open the Bluetooth settings on your Samsung phone. So in my case, I have to go to the Bluetooth, go to the settings, then click on the Bluetooth, and then simply turn it on. And now what I have to do is just to open the case of the earbuds. Just be sure that the both earbuds are inside, and also be sure that you charge them for at least like 10 minutes or something like this. And as you can see, in the most cases we'll actually get this notification that the new device has been found. But if for some reason you don't have it, you can just click close and try to scan. Now just take a look for your nearby devices and select Galaxy Buds FE. Accept the pairing request and all of the permissions. Now just wait for the downloading process. It will take around a few seconds. As you can see from here, we have to accept all, click continue, accept another permissions. Now it looks like that everything is fine. And there we go, as you can see right now, it's finished. So right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you on the next one.